process of publishing a research paper can be intimidating and confusing, especially for first-time authors. I'll provide a brief overview on each step of the publication process. Step 1 is to find a journal. You will need to do some research on journals to find the ones that are a good fit for your paper. Typically, this starts by looking at the reference section of your paper, as journals are likely to publish on similar topics. You could also use journal finders to help identify journals that match in scope to your paper. You'll want to make a list of a few journals to submit to, as you can only submit your paper to one journal at a time. Beware of predatory publishing and scam journals, and make sure you verify that the journals you submit to are legit. Step 2 is to prepare and submit your paper. Every journal has specific formatting requirements, which may differ based on what kind of paper you're submitting. How journals display figures, tables, and data always differs. Even journals under the same publisher are likely to have different formats. Journals will provide you with templates on how to format your paper, often in LaTeX or Word. Step 3 is to wait and hear back from the journal. Different journals go through the review process at different rates, so there is no set time when you can expect to hear back. Papers almost never get accepted without revisions, so the 3 typical responses you can receive are a rejection, a major revision, and a minor revision. If your paper is ever rejected, take whatever feedback you get and submit to another journal on your list. A major revision means that the paper needs significant revisions and edits before being accepted into the journal. Usually this means you have to collect new data, improve the analysis, or add missing items to your paper. After the major revisions, you may have to do minor revisions, which are typically small formatting or grammatical changes. Once that is finished, your paper is accepted. Alternatively, you may want to consider PaperScore, a new journal that does not accept or reject papers. Instead, papers are anonymously scored and the authors decide whether or not to revise or publish their paper. This method eliminates biases from the standard publishing process and removes editors as the authority during peer review. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit paperscore.org, and to learn more about the publication process, visit paperscore.org/blog.